Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to put on this rubber pipe boot. As you can see, we're on a rubber boot currently. We have a penetration here where we put this pipe up through the roof. Sorry about all the noise. We're right next to a train. But anyway, first thing you're going to want to do is get your size figured out. Our pipe is 2-inch. This kit is good for a lot of different sizes. So you see it has these different cones. These are for your different sizes of pipe. We'll be cutting to this ring right here. So the first 2 steps will be removed. Just carefully cut away. So you can see it pulls over, makes a really nice tight fit. So now we can see where our boot's actually going to be on the roof. I'm going to go ahead and mark this out. That's going to be the area we'll clean. Now this kit actually doesn't require any sort of extra sealant. It just has a super sticky sealant on it. So what we're going to do is pull this onto the pipe and then peel off the paper. It's kind of like a wax paper. Now, they send a ring large enough to accommodate the largest diameter pipe that you could use up here. It's up to you if you want to use that one. If you're using a smaller pipe, like I am in this case, you could actually put a smaller pipe clamp on here and not use something so large. Using this large one is fine, we'll just have more excess pipe. But you can see, this is now extremely glued down to that rubber. So as long as you clean the rubber really well, you won't have any trouble with it leaking. I prefer to leave these things pulled up like this so that the water drains off of them and doesn't sit in the grooves, but I have seen where some people push them down preemptively. Comment down below if you think it's better to do it one way or the other, but we're going to leave it pulled up like that. Add the pipe clamp, and that right there is now a tight waterproof seal. It's good to go around this edge and just make sure that there's no airways between the rubber, but it'd be hard to peel it back off here, honestly. At this point it's very attached. So anyway, hope that you found this helpful, and yeah, that should be all you need to know. So talk to you later.